Hey guys, I wanted to make you a little video so you kind of know what I'm expecting on the heart rate lab report. I'm having some issues with my Google Drive, so I'm making this on YouTube instead. So you should have this, okay? It was posted last week. So this first part, the 20 points you've already done, that's your CER. Starting with the introduction, this should be on a Google Doc. It's going to be a formal lab report. And so what I'm expecting, this first part, this is where you tell me what you did, why you did it, what was the purpose, what question were you trying to answer. This should be a short paragraph. And at the end of it, it should have your hypothesis in an if-then format, okay? So that's what I'm looking for there. The next part is your materials and procedure. You have this from your pre-lab, and you can just make these a list. That's fine. They don't need to be in paragraph form. They can definitely be a list, okay? Next, you'll have your results. So here you will have the graph you made for your CER, but you'll also put your data table, okay? And some of you I talked about, like if you needed to make some changes to your graph before you put your final draft into your lab report. I would like these copied and pasted into the actual document. I don't really want links. I want to see them in your lab report. Make sure you have your axis labeled, okay? Because that's going to be important. And then the last part is your conclusion, and this is a big part of it. This is really where you're giving me all your reasoning, you're giving me a summary of all your results. This is probably where you're going to put those citations into your lab report, where you found evidence from other sources of what you found. You're going to tell me any errors you may have had. You're going to give me ideas and suggestions for how you would change it if you were to do it again. And not only how you would change it, but what would you do now? Now that you know what you know, okay, you know about standing at different heights and how it affects heart rate, what could you add to it? Now you know how listening to certain music affects heart rate, what would you add to it for next time, okay? And then you will have your works cited. So there's 5 points for using a citation and then 5 points for the works cited page, which will be at the end. I'm also looking just for grammar, and I'm just looking for simple, good grammar, punctuation, spelling, okay? Use spell check. So altogether you have 20 points that you got from your presentation, and then this will be worth 80 points, okay? If you have any questions, just email me. I'll be checking my email. Remember, this is due Friday, but I thought you could get a good start on it today in class, along with the little video over water with a few questions there. So hope you guys are having a great day, and I will see you tomorrow.